Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Zapier to connect all of your platforms and automate your business. So let's see how. First, you need to create your own account. However, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to log in my account and I'm going to use Google. Now I will pick my account from here. And this is how your Zapier will look like. So basically in this tutorial, we are going to make two important events, which are creating a transfer and creating a Zap. So first of all, to create a transfer, this means that you are moving data from one application or one platform to data to be implied to another platform. So let's see what it means. Press on new transfer here. And this will ask you how many times you want to do this transfer, whether you want to do it one time or on a fixed schedule continuously. So let's just say run once. And now let's press on create a new transfer from here. Then it will ask you the source platform from which the raw data will be taken and the destination to which the data will be placed. So for the source, let's just select, for example, Microsoft Excel and choose the source data by row. Then let's choose the destination, Google Sheets. And let's choose, here you can paste it in many options like create spreadsheet column, spreadsheet row. You have here many options that you can choose from. However, I'm just going to choose create spreadsheet row. Once you do this and press on next, it will ask you to verify both of your accounts on Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. However, this is pretty self-explanatory and it requires no explanation. You will just connect both of the platforms to Zapier and the transfer will occur. So this is easy, we will not go through it, and this is how you can make your own transfer. So basically you choose the source, then the destination, then you verify both, and voila, you can do the transfer. Next step is to create a Zap. This is done by pressing on create Zap here. Before starting creating our Zap, you need first to understand the idea. Why do we create Zap? Creating Zap means that I will make a trigger in a specific platform that once it's triggered or once it's activated, another action will be taken in another platform. So this can be shown from this diagram, trigger and action. So the trigger related to the source platform. For example, let's say Google Sheets, for example. So once something happened in Google Sheet, another action will be taken in Gmail, for example. So let's make a live one. Let's press on trigger here to decide what is our trigger. And let's, for example, choose Google Calendar. And here you can identify what is the trigger in detail. So let's say, for example, the event, maybe event start or new calendar. Let's say new calendar here when a calendar is created. Then let's press continue. Here it will ask you to verify your Google Calendar account. I have verified it before for the sake of the time of this tutorial. However, if it's your first time, it will ask you to verify this Google Calendar. And once you do so, you can just press on continue. Then it will ask you to test your trigger. This means that it will see if there is data that can be taken or if the trigger can be activated from your own source platform. So if we pressed on test trigger, it will keep testing, and here it tested it and it found events that can be used as a test. Perfect. Continue with the selected record. Now it requires the action which will be performed as a result of a trigger being activated. So for example, let's say maybe Gmail or Slack. Let's choose Gmail. Here, the event is to maybe send an email for example, and press continue. Then it will ask you to verify your Gmail. I haven't verified it yet, so I will just go and verify it and come back to you in seconds. So here I have verified my own Gmail. Then I will continue and I will do the same step. Here I need to make an email as a test so that it can test this action. So now let's press 2. For example, I can choose one of these fields. Let's say, for example, I need to send it to this mail. And this is the text that I want to be sent. So for example, I will send, let's say, which part of the calendar or which part of the event that you want to send. Let's say the description. So I will send the description once, not twice. And now I will choose the CC. I will leave it empty. BCC, I will also leave it empty. I will choose from me, from my mail. Then I will leave from name, reply to, subject, check this calendar. Body type, I will leave it. Body, I will choose the summary from here. I will leave the signature, the label, and the attachment, and I will press on continue. Then I can test this step, and I will leave it to test it. Now done, I think it's done. So now I can press on publish, and my Zap is ready. So this is as simple as it is. So as we said before, it's all about creating a trigger on one platform, which causes an activation of a specific action on another platform. So this is pretty simple and this is pretty self-explanatory. Now let's return from here and check one last thing before ending this tutorial. Let's go to contact sales here. Or not here, sorry. Let's go instead to upgrade plan here. So here you can access on different plans provided by Zapier. So you can choose the most suitable one which suits you the best. So here you can see the free one, the store tool, the professional, the team, and the company. Each one has its own features, and the higher the price, the more the features. So you can choose the plan which most suitable for your own company from the size perspective and from the features as well. And once you are done, you can just upgrade and enjoy these features. So this is basically how you can integrate all your apps using Zapier. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.